On the More screen, available in the bottom right-hand corner, you can update your profile and update your settings and notifications preferences. There are a variety of settings and notifications you can change. In this case, I highly recommend adjusting the group notifications so you can stay on top of the group chat easily. I also recommend setting a daily reminder for your workouts. This will help you stay on track of the training. You can also optionally connect apps and devices, including Fitbit or MyFitnessPal. This is entirely optional and will never be required for any clients. In fact, most people who choose to use this already use a Fitbit or MyFitnessPal actively. If you choose to sync up both, you'll want to choose which one to use for your preferred data for meals. There's also a little bit of support, not much, but you can watch the Getting Started video if that helps you understand how Trainerize works a little bit better. You can also adjust your profile information here under